Bring some of them inside here. NGO Udaan.
Okay.
I'm the founder member of this organization. This is our flagship event which we have every year.
Okay. So what are the main this
Theme for
awareness
this
that you-
year is take the right path. So we believe that right path to health, environment, everything is important. But here we are focusing on health. So that's why we had a walkathon, which we have every year for awareness for AIDS-free generation.
So who had participated today? How many schools and what?
We have 5 school participation. This year we had less participation because some schools have annual day and sports day, so they could not make it. We approached many schools, and but then we could not get good response because of their own activities.
Okay, this is an annual day. You said how many years that you have been?
I've been doing this for the past 14 years. We started with Santa Cruz because we are based in Santa Cruz, and we went all over our state, and now this year again we come to Panjim. In Panjim we had in 2013, and we are back now here.
And where was the walkathon started and where it ended?
Yes.
Where it is started? Walkathon.
Started in 2011. We started in Santa Cruz first, and then we came to Panjim. Then we went to Margao, Vasco. Every taluka we went, and we come now back to Panjim.
What is the message that you want to give?
We want to have a stigma-free and discrimination-free world.
So this is organized by whom? Your this organization?
My organization, Udaan.
Udaan.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Diana. I have been associated with Udaan for the past 4 years. I'm also a branch manager for Unity Bank. I'm also a branch manager for Unity Bank. I have been associated with Udaan for past 4 years, and I'm really happy for supporting this cause today. Me, along with all my colleagues from Unity Bank, have been joining, and as a topic, it's an AIDS-free generation. We just want to create an awareness, because many people have that kind of a stigma that related to HIV/AIDS. So that little bit of contribution what we could do today with our walk is thanks to the NGO Udaan.
Hi, I'm Olivia Coutinho. I am 3 times women's physique champion, and today I'm here to support Anita and her cause for AIDS, so that we can have a place where we all think about health and give health a very big priority. So I am doing my contribution for that.
So how you feel being part of this event?
Amazing. It's an amazing, and I'm honored to be as a chief guest today as well. So I'm very happy to be here today.
And what's your message will be for the youngsters part of this?
For the youngsters, obviously keep health as a priority. You need to give yourself that importance, because nowadays we have a lot of exposure to social media and to all junk food and all that, but we are not giving health and sports a priority. So I would want youngsters to come out and give sports a very big opportunity and see where they can flourish in their life.
And regarding the AIDS concept, what do you have to say regarding our AIDS?
AIDS, see, I have never, first and foremost, never considered AIDS as a taboo or something like that. But since Anita is bringing out this topic, I have come to know that people are still having that stigma, and people are still having this thing that you cannot be with somebody who has AIDS and cannot this thing. But where I was brought up and when my parents never made this thing, so that's why I want to come out and tell people that it's not a big deal, and it's not something that you need to be scared about and worried about.
Hi, this is Avid Moraskar, weightlifter and also fitness athlete and also sports officer in Goa University. First of all, I thank Udaan for calling me here to witness such a wonderful event. and also to support this event.
So what do you have to say regarding this AIDS awareness that you have done? You are in sports, so what do you have to say?
Yeah, actually it's very important to we do this awareness, and we also spread the knowledge so we can keep these things under control and safeguard people from such problems.
Thank you.
First, I would like to thank Udan for creating such a wonderful activity for the World AIDS Day, and I would like to thank on behalf of our higher secondary for inviting us for this particular rally. Thank you.
So what was the experience you had along with children walking this path?
Yeah,
to awareness of AIDS?
students understood the main particular thought behind this particular event. They got aware about the things about the HIV/AIDS precautions which should be taken, and they will guide their siblings or their family members about this particular thing.
So you think that schools need to be aware, make awareness of this?
Yeah, actually, it's needed. The awareness is needed, and with the help of such NGOs, we are getting the opportunities to create awareness among the students.
Thank you.
ITIचे स्टाफ हांव सगून करप आनी भुपेश आमचो पणजी ITIचे स्टाफ आमचे 42 भुरगे येयल्लेले आसात आनी जस्ट आमी ह्या प्रोग्रामान तेंच्या वांगडा पार्टिसिपेट जाला अगेन्स्ट HIV/AIDS अवेअरनेस म्हणून आमचे पणजी ITIचे भुरगे पार्टिसिपेट जाल्लेले आसात.
So, कितें तुमकां सांगूंक जाय कितें दिसलें तुमकां की एड्साचेर
की आता ह्या टायमाचेर ते अवेअरनेसाची गरज आसा. रिसंटली आमी पळयलां आसतलें की कांयशी त्या हितून वाड जाल्लेली आसा. ते भुरग्यां भितर अवेअरनेस जावपाक जाय. ही तेंची टिनेज एज आसा, तांकां ते अवेअरनेस जावपाकूच जाय. सो हे आमी त्या ड्रायव्हान आमी ITI तर्फे आमी सामील जाल्लेले आसा.
उद्दान ऑर्गनायझेशन हांव इव्हेंट हो बरे भशेन ऑर्गनायज केलो म्हणून कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन म्हणटा तांकां. आनी आमी रिप्रेझेंट केल्ले स्कील डेव्हलपमेंट एंड एंटरप्रेन्युरशीप आनी आमचे कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंट आसा ते पणजी गव्हर्मेंट ITI. ओके, थँक्यू फॉर इनवायटींग अस. थँक्यू.
During this today's awareness program.
This is an awareness program for students. This is an awareness program for the students where they get to know what are the drawbacks of AIDS and how to prevent the AIDS and to make the sustainable society. The awareness is very important at the school level. So we are very thankful to the NGO who is organizing this. Thank you very much.
Clap your hands. St. Michael's High School.
St. Michael's High Secondary.
Diana.
Come on, Diana.
Thank all the school children for participating in this walk, and also special thanks to all the teachers as well for supporting us, and all the others who have joined and participated. Also special thanks to Diana and Unity Bank and Sabina ma'am who has participated as well at this walk. I hope that this generation, we carry on this message for a stigma of the AIDS-free generation. So thank you so much on behalf of Udan and on behalf of our president, Anita. I would like to once again take this opportunity to thank all of you guys. And special thanks to the media also for this fight. Thank you so much. There is